guys, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY video. I'm super duper excited for this video because I will be showing you guys how to make these really cute little lapel pins. They're super simple, super cheap. I made a ton of them. I was under $10 for all of the stuff that I bought for these, and I can make about 20 of them total. The reason I'm trying to make these is because I kept looking at pins and they were so cute, but the prices were like out of this world. But I just wanted some that I could put on my bag and not really collect per se. So I looked on Pinterest, I found this idea, and I thought I'd share it because it is the easiest idea ever. So if you guys want to learn how to make these pins, let's get right into the video. What you'll be needing for this is some Shrinky Dink paper. I got this at Michael's for $6, but I got like $3 off with a coupon. And then you're also going to be needing these tie tacks, which I had no clue what they were called until I looked online, and I got these 10 for $3 at Hobby Lobby, but you can find them for way cheaper on Amazon. I'm about to order some from Amazon, so that will work too. You will also need a bunch of colored markers if you're wanting to color your pins. If you want the backs of your pins to show up really well, you also need some white or cream paint. You can even use nail polish if you have white nail polish. And the last two things you'll be needing are scissors and super glue. Hot glue does definitely not work with this. I tried it already. So get a different glue than hot glue. Definitely not Elmer's, just a strong type of glue, and I'm sure it'll stick. And obviously you need a paintbrush if you're gonna be painting your pins. So first what you guys will be doing is printing off your designs that you're wanting. They shrink about 1/3 of the size, I believe, so I printed these off pretty big. And they don't have to be colored because you will color them yourselves. You don't even have to print off designs if you don't want. You can freehand it, but I like tracing because I'm really not that good at drawing or doodling. So they have all different types of paper for Shrinky Dinks. I got the rough kind, and I will probably get the very clear kind next time because I want my pens to be way clearer. But this still works perfectly. So basically what you're gonna do is you're simply going to put your paper under it and start tracing your shapes. What you do now is they recommend toaster oven, not microwave oven or anything, or just regular oven. You put a piece of foil down, you preheat the oven to 325, and they should begin to curl up. Bake them for 1 to 3 minutes. So as you guys can see, they're curling up. This is totally normal and they will flatten out. And if any of them are still a little bit rolled up after 3 minutes, you can lightly flatten them down as well. So the second batch just got done. This is so cute, guys. Now I'm going to take a little bit of white paint or nail polish, like I said earlier, and I'm just going to paint the backs of these. I'm painting the crystal clear side and the side we did not draw on. Now we're gonna take this super glue and we're gonna glue the pins on the backs of these wherever you want them. guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very easy DIY. Make sure to like and comment any comments, questions, video requests, anything like that. Make sure to also hit the bell to be notified when I post, and subscribe down below. Click the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. Oh, I gotta get my pins.